So Chloe and Arthur have the same number of coins. Chloe has a number of 50-cent coins and 27 20-cent coins. Arthur has twice as many 20-cent coins as Chloe. Who has more money? How much more? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw some models. So we have Chloe, and then we also have Arthur as well. And we will start from the end, where it says here Arthur has twice as many 20-cent coins as Chloe. Okay, so what we're going to do is just going to draw some units over here. Okay, so we have 20-cent coins, right? 20 cent. And then we also have some 20 cents. So who has two times? Arthur. Arthur has two times many of 20 cents than Chloe in this case over here, right? So I'm going to put it like this. Okay, so always something like this, right? So how many 20 cents coins do they have? So Chloe has a number of 50-cent coins and 20-cent coins. So Chloe has 27 times 20 cents. So that means Arthur has two times as what you call this? Two times as many also, right? Okay, like this and like this. Okay. We also know that both of them have the same number of coins. Okay. So in this case over here, we're gonna draw another block, but this time it will be on the same 50 cent. So this one will be 50 cents instead. So we don't know times 50-cent coins. And then same goes here as well, right? We don't know as well, right? We don't know times 50-cent coin as well. Okay, so from here, can we figure out some things to help us solve a little bit easier? So do you see this? 27 times 20 cents. So that means this over here is also 27 coins. Okay, so we can just put like this. And this is 27 coins, but it's not 20 cents. It is 50 cents. So from here, we kind of know what's the difference in terms of value. Because we know that means they have an equal amount of 50-cent coins, but equal amount of this and equal amount of this as well. So this is the difference. That's why it's over here. So the difference, so difference will be basically, so I'm going to draw this as the difference in red. So this over here is the difference. Okay, so difference. Oops, black. So this is the difference, right? Can make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so the difference is equal to, right, 27 times 50 cents, so 0 0.5, right, 0 0.5 minus 27 times 0 0.2. Okay, so then let's calculate it with our calculator. So 27 multiplied by 0 0.5, this will be $13.50 minus 2.7, 27 times 0 0.2, and this will give us 5.4. And the answer to this is 13.5 minus 5.4 dollars, 8.10 cents. There you go. So who has bigger? Obviously Chloe has the bigger one, so Chloe has more. And then how much more? $8.10 in this case over here. All right. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question B. So given that Chloe has $33.40, how many 50-cent coins does Arthur have? Okay, so that means we just need to know this over here. Okay, so that means it's just literally just this whole thing. Okay, so if I were to just copy this, right, without this over here, let me just, okay, copy this and paste it over here below. Same thing. So if Chloe has $33.40, so dollars 33.40, so we can get this over here, right? So what we can do is Chloe 50 cents value is equal to 33.4 minus, so 27 times 5. I think we can get this as well. Same thing like this, right? All right, so like this, 50 cents, and then equal, oops, this is equal to the same thing over here. Okay, so 33.4 minus these two numbers. Okay, so let's do that. 33.4 minus 13.5 minus 5.4. This will give us dollars equal to dollars 15 point 4, right? Is it, or $14.50? Sorry, $14.50. Okay, so then we know that this over here is dollars 14.50. So number of 50-cent coins is equal to 14.5, and then we divide by 0.5. Okay, 50 cents, right? So I'll just put 0 at the end, so it's easier to understand. Okay, so with this, divide by zero point 0.5, this will give us 29 coins, right? So in this case, Arthur over here has 29 coins as well. All right, so there you go. So you can just write 29 coins. All right.